The moment you step into the world of a RAG-based knowledge bot, you enter a space where retrieval and generation work together to solve one of the biggest problems in AI, hallucinations. This project shows companies that you can build systems that don't guess, but check facts before answering. A RAG bot acts like a smart assistant that pulls the right pieces of information from company documents, manuals, knowledge bases, and research papers before forming a response. This is why RAG matters so much in 2025 to 2027, because enterprises now need AI that is reliable, secure, and grounded in real data. You will see these systems powering internal documentation tools, customer support chatbots, research assistants, and compliance platforms. Every use case reinforces that companies need accurate, context-aware AI. When you build this project, you prove you understand retrieval pipelines, context management, and knowledge engineering. These are skills companies look for in NLP, LLM integration, and enterprise AI roles. Industries hiring includes software companies, finance, healthcare, legal tech, and e-commerce. Recruiters value students who understand RAG because it shows maturity beyond simple prompt engineering. This project positions you strongly for high-impact AI careers. To build a RAG-based knowledge bot, you need a solid mix of technical depth and practical engineering skill, and this combination is exactly what makes you stand out during placements. You start with Python NLP fundamentals and the ability to handle vector databases, because OG systems depend on embeddings and fast semantic search. You also learn to fine-tune LLMs and build APIs, which makes your project production-ready. Tools like LangChain or Llama Index help you connect the pieces together, while Hugging Face transformers handle the model side. Vector databases such as ChromaDB or Pinecone store your embeddings efficiently, and FastAPI or Flask lets you turn your system into an application that companies can actually use. Beyond tools, you also develop soft skills that matter in real AI jobs, like information architecture, data quality analysis, problem-solving for edge cases, and UX thinking. Recruiters love these skills because they show you can design real solutions, not just run models. This blend of technical and soft skills makes the RAG project a powerful addition to your portfolio, especially if you're targeting NLP engineering or LLM development roles. When you build a RAG-based system, you follow a clear and structured roadmap that mirrors how real enterprise AI tools are developed. You begin with data collection, gathering PDFs, manuals, research papers, and internal documents, then cleaning them to create a well-structured knowledge base. Next, you create embeddings using sentence transformers, which convert text into numerical vectors that capture meaning. These embeddings are stored in a vector database with metadata for fast retrieval. The retrieval system then activates semantic search and ranking mechanisms that find the best pieces of information for each question. After retrieval, the generation layer combines the selected context with the language model to create accurate, grounded responses. You fine-tune prompts to improve quality. Finally, you deploy the system using FastAPI, add monitoring pipelines, and create feedback loops so the bot improves over time. The beginner timeline is 6 to 8 weeks, while intermediate learners can finish in 3 to 4 weeks using existing infrastructure. This roadmap shows recruiters you can build real systems end-to-end, not just run models. The career value of a RAG-based knowledge bot is extremely high because companies everywhere are shifting from simple chatbots to reliable enterprise-grade assistants. Or, across the base, by mastering vector databases, embeddings, semantic search, and LLM integration, you position yourself for roles like NLP engineer, LLM application developer, AI solutions architect, conversational AI engineer, and machine learning engineer. Recruiters expect candidates who can work with retrieval pipelines, reduce hallucinations, and improve answer accuracy using RAG architecture, and this project proves you can do exactly that. Top hiring companies include Google, Microsoft, Amazon, OpenAI, Anthropic, major consulting firms, and fast-growing AI startups. Salary ranges are strong as well, with India offering 8 to 15 lakhs at entry level and 15 to 25 lakhs at mid-level. Global salaries reach $90,000 to $140,000 at entry and well above $140,000 at mid-level. With these skills, you step directly into the most future-ready zone of AI development. Start building this today and put it on GitHub.